How to place video inside of a shape object in Adobe Premiere Pro. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Alright, in order for us to begin, I have my video right here, and basically the first thing that we are going to add is basically an ellipse tool or a circle. I'm just going to choose circle in this case. You can definitely add whatever you want. In my case, I'm going to choose circle. So here is how it is. Now I'm just going to go ahead and move this a little bit up. There you go. And once I'm done, we're going to go back here at the start. We're just going to go ahead and drag this, make this as long as possible, just like so. And I'm going to add an effects here. The effects that I'm going to be adding is called track matte key. Make sure that you are going to add it to your clip, not to the shape. Otherwise, it won't work. So here in the clip, I'm going to click this and I'm going to head over to effects control. We're going to go ahead and look for the track matte key. Now for the matte, I'm going to set this one to video 2. So depending on the number of videos that you have, you can also have a lot of lists in here. Basically choose which one you're going to use. So yep, here we are. I'm just going to go ahead and play this. That's how it looks. Now if you want to track this one, you can go ahead and basically do it right here. You can go ahead and just add position here, so just like so, and then move few keyframes. You're going to go ahead and add another. Basically that's just what you are going to do. You're kind of like guessing where they're gonna be moving. Alright, so here's how it looks. I'm going to play it for you guys. And that is how to place video inside of a shape object in Adobe Premiere Pro.